Welcome back to another Gale Bears Repairs. Today we're going to do a lighting upgrade, or try to do an LED lighting upgrade on this 2018 Seat Arona. Right, let's get on with it. I'm going to try and fit an LED upgrade. Last week I bought some and put them in and they were unsuccessful. They were flickering. They didn't work. I don't know if they overheated or they affected the CAN bus. It did bring up a fault light. So this is my second attempt. We're going to try these. Right, so we'll come in closer and I'll show you what we got. Right, so these are the ones I've got in my second attempt. So that's the brand name you're after. And quality product yet again. And these I've got, I don't know if that is a transformer, a power pack, or what it is, or I don't know whether it's got some sort of resistor in there to balance out the CAN bus. So I'm not sure. So with these, plug it into your headlight as per normal. You got this little trailing arm here, a little pigtail here, comes out, and then you put that. So that goes to the plug of your headlight bulb. So the difference between these and the ones I had last week, these here, I've got this little box of tricks and they've got a cooling fan. So the previous ones, it was as if they were on for half an hour. They were fine and they were on for half an hour and then they started to flicker on and off. So I don't know if they were overheating, but these got a cooling fan. So you get two of them, obviously. We'll pop them in the car now, see what happens. Right, so I'm just trying to fit the second set of headlight bulbs, these LEDs. I've come up against a problem right away. It doesn't specify in the instructions in any way of what you've got to do, but I've worked it out. I'll take you in closer and I'll show you what we got to do. Right, so here's our standard H7 lamp. It's got that tang that's at the top. That's normal, no problem. And then we've got this new unit. And I couldn't fit it in, it just wouldn't go in with the spring clip and everything there. So I had a look at it. So that is as it is in the headlight. So that's up there. So the cable comes out the bottom. But it won't fit in, but it's got a quarter of a turn. So as you're looking at it like that, turn this body, quarter of a turn, look. Anti-clockwise, and this comes off. Look, you fit that to the headlight and then you push the headlight in and just give it a twist. That's important. It's not in the instructions to do this. We get this adapter ring, having facing up, the tang facing up. Sorry, it's a bit blurry. So with that facing out, that facing in. So we put him in. So we'll slide him into where the headlight bulb would go normally. Sorry, I've got my fingers in the way. So with that tang facing up, and then, I can't do this with my fingers. Right, so that's it. And we put the spring up as if it was the headlight bulb. Right, so I think you've got it there. Let me check you're in focus because this phone goes out of focus. Yeah, so you've put that in instead of the headlight bulb. So now we push the headlight bulb and just give it a quarter of a turn. So we got the bulb here, and it's got to have the lead facing. It's got to have the lead facing out the bottom. So we put him in like that. Wait for him to drop in where he needs to be. There he goes. So he's dropped in. So you just give him a little rotate around until he drops in. And then give him quarter of a turn. I don't know if you've got that. Yeah, I think you may have that, yeah. So it was there, and then quarter of a turn to get it vertical like that. So that line there, look, with the lead out the bottom. So now we just get the old socket and we put the new plug into it. So that you've got the little power pack transformer or resistor or whatever it is. And then we just plug that into there. So that's the setup you've got. So that's your old headlight socket, and that's the new plug with the box of tricks attached. And then I suppose we just put that in there and move on with our lives. Right, we'll give it a try. Right, so I was just watching the footage back and I don't think it was very clear. So this adapter, it's very local, isn't it? Adapter. So this adapter goes into the headlight like that. You can't get it wrong. There are two prongs there, one there, and the same are on the adapter ring there. You can see them. So you could just, when you put it in, it may not go in. So you just rotate it until it drops, look. Down, and then give it your quarter of a turn to get that vertical alignment. So hopefully that'll be a little bit clearer for you when you're installing. So that's at the top, and then that makes that vertical, that's pointing up with the lead out the bottom. Right, let's go for some before and after, shall we? Right, so I put the headlights on and one of them didn't work. It was this side, but all I did to correct it, if you have a look, they are polarized, look, it's got plus and negative on there. So just unplug the plug from a socket, spin them around, put them in the other way, and then it worked. So if you get one that doesn't work, unplug it, spin it 180 and plug it back in. Right, pretty much trouble-free install there. Something you've got to know, twist off that little ring, pull it off, fit it in your headlight. Put that in like your normal headlight bulb, only then put the new lamp in. So it's like an adapter ring. This is the second set of LEDs that I've tried to fit on this car. The first one was a complete fail. We put them in, they worked fine, but we went out driving one evening, we were on for about half an hour, and the right hand side headlight started to drop out. Flicked off, flicked on, flicked off. So, and it brought up a CAN bus fault. It brought up a fault on the dash. These, they were £30 for two. These were £40 for two. So we're upgrading the cash as we're going. Delumina. I've got them on Amazon. They've got the cooling fans and that little box of tricks. So I don't know if that box of tricks is a transformer or whether it's got something to do with the resistances for the CAN bus. I would recommend that you buy any LED lights from Amazon that you're going to purchase, because you could fit them to your car. They may affect the CAN bus. They may just play up. Very easy to return on Amazon. No quibble, get your refund easily. So I would recommend get yourself a set on Amazon, try them in your car, and then it's no issues if you need to get rid of them. Waffling a bit now, and so that's it. Pretty straightforward. If I've got any problems, this is on a 2018 Seat Arona. If I've got any problems, I'll have to do a new outro, but if there's no new outro on here, then you know that it was working fine, that I've had no issues with it. If you click on a link here, that is something that should appear here now. I'll put a link up for any other Seat Arona videos. So that should appear here. And if you found this video has been useful and it's been informative to you today, could you please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time.